Hello and welcome to our video on the Tibetan Mastiff, the biggest dog breed in the world. Tibetan Mastiffs are an ancient breed known for their impressive size and majestic appearance. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about the Tibetan Mastiff breed, including their history, characteristics, temperament, health, grooming, and training. Part 1. History and Characteristic. Tibetan Mastiffs are one of the world's oldest dog breeds, dating back over 5,000 years. They were originally bred in the Himalayan mountains to protect livestock from predators and guard monasteries. Tibetan Mastiffs are known for their impressive size and strength, with males weighing between 100 and 160 pounds and standing at around 26 to 30 inches tall. Females are slightly smaller, weighing between 70 and 120 pounds and standing at around 24 to 20 pounds and standing at around 24 to 20 inches tall. Tibetan Mastiffs have a thick, long coat that comes in a variety of colors, including black, brown, gold, and blue. They have a broad head, deep-set eyes, and a muscular build with a strong, sturdy frame. Tibetan Mastiffs are known for their powerful bark, which they use to warn intruders to stay away. Part 2. Temperament. Tibetan Mastiffs are independent and aloof, making them a great choice for experienced dog owners. They are loyal and protective of their family, and their natural guarding instinct means they can be wary of strangers. Tibetan Mastiffs are also known for their stubbornness, which can make training a challenge. Tibetan Mastiffs require early socialization to prevent aggression towards other animals and humans. They need plenty of exercise and mental stimulation, as they can become bored and destructive if left alone for long periods. It's important to provide them with plenty of toys and activities to keep them occupied. Part 3. Health. Tibetan Mastiffs are generally healthy dogs with a lifespan of around 10 to 12 years. However, like all breeds, they are prone to certain health issues. One common issue is hip dysplasia, which can cause pain and mobility problems. Tibetan Mastiffs can also be prone to eye problems, such as cataracts and entropion, a condition where the eyelids turn inward and can cause irritation and infection. Tibetan Mastiffs are also prone to obesity, which can lead to other health problems, such as heart disease and diabetes. It's important to monitor their diet and provide plenty of exercise to keep them in good health. Part 4. Grooming. Tibetan Mastiffs have a thick, long coat that requires regular grooming to prevent matting and tangling. They shed seasonally, so regular brushing can help to remove loose hair and keep their coat healthy. It's important to clean their ears regularly to prevent infections and to trim their nails to prevent them from becoming too long. Part 5. Training. Tibetan Mastiffs are intelligent dogs, but they can be stubborn, which can make training a challenge. It's essential to start training early and to be patient and consistent. Positive reinforcement training methods, such as rewards and praise, work well with Tibetan Mastiffs. Tibetan Mastiffs also need early socialization to prevent aggression towards other animals and humans. It's important to expose them to a variety of people and situations to prevent fear and anxiety. Part 6. Is a Tibetan Mastiff the right dog for you? Tibetan Mastiffs are not the right dog for everyone. They require experienced owners who can provide them with the exercise and mental stimulation they need. They also require plenty of space to roam and play, making them better suited to homes with a large yard or property rather than an apartment or small house. In terms of grooming, Tibetan Mastiffs have a thick, luxurious coat that requires regular brushing to prevent matting and tangling. They also shed heavily twice a year, so be prepared for some extra vacuuming and cleaning during those periods. While they're generally a healthy breed, Tibetan Mastiffs are prone to certain health issues such as hip dysplasia, elbow dysplasia, and thyroid problems. It's important to work with a reputable breeder who health tests their dogs and to schedule regular vet checkups to ensure your Tibetan Mastiff stays healthy and happy. Overall, the Tibetan Mastiff is a unique and majestic breed that can make a wonderful addition to the right family. If you have the time, space, and commitment to provide this gentle giant with the care and attention it deserves, a Tibetan Mastiff might just be the perfect dog for you.